Hi Lou, my name's Ken from Parsippany. I'm installing Undercounter lighting in my kitchen, and I'm going to combine bar lighting with puck lights and spans over a sink. And I was wondering what's the best way to do that?
Ken, there's all different types of under cabinet lights that you can buy, and you can mix and match the puck lights and the strip lights. These are all LED, which I would highly recommend that you use because it's a cooler light to the touch, temperature-wise. But also, when you're talking about temperature, you want to worry about the color temperature of the bulbs. So make sure that you're choosing a warm white for all of them, not a cool and a warm, because that mix and match won't look good. These are all dimmable, which is really nice, easy to install, and use very little energy when on. Here's a question from Mary. Hi Lou, we installed Carrara marble tile in our bathroom. We were never told it needed to be sealed after the installation. After a year of showers, there are now deep yellow stains in the tile that we cannot remove. Is there any way to restore the marble to the original look and remove the yellow stains? Oh, Mary, I'm sorry. Marble's great, but it's such a soft stone that you have to be very careful with the kind of cleaning products you use, and you have to maintain it. It's a company called Lundmark that has a 3-step process that might be able to help you. A stripper, a cleaner, and then a polish/sealer. If you follow the directions on these bottles, you should be able to bring that marble back to life.